Alright, so here we are, video 2 of 2, literally 20 minutes later after making this first video. But here's the tools that I used. In fact, I'll just give you kind of a quick shot. You can see that the molding is done. What I did was I went to my local Napa auto parts store and I bought some 3M 1/4 inch wide pinstriping tape. It's gloss black. I would have liked to have had flat black. They told me flat black wasn't available. But in fairness, if you look at the molding, right up next to it is the shiny paint. You know, this molding has a flat finish, but again, it's good for the job. I had an X-Acto knife. I already had that, and this putty knife, as you can see, I've had that thing 30 years. Used to use it in the body shop days when I did that trade. I've got literally this roll of tape is my only investment. I think I paid $6 for that, and I seriously have 20 minutes in this job. It took me longer to go buy the tape. Now let's get to the finished product. There it is. See, you just walk that tape around that corner. What I did was I started in the middle of the windshield and I put a seam. You know, there's a small seam there, you can barely see it. I started in the middle of the windshield, worked my way over, walked around that corner. I went down here. See if I can pick that up on the video without getting all the reflection. Just made a little cut, and I started in the middle of the windshield and walked my way around and did it the other way. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. But you know what? Neither is this car, and frankly, I'm not taking it to any shows anytime soon. This is a 2006 11-year-old car with 140,000 miles on it. It is my daily driver. It's one of the greatest cars I've ever owned. But for $7 and 20 minutes, I think I just took care of kind of an ugly problem. To be straight about it, I mean, there it is. It's just a very simple, quick fix. It was done on this car. It can be done on any car to dress up that windshield molding. If it's rock chipped or the paint's peeling off, all you need to do is just go up to it and measure it. And in this case, 1/4 inch is what did the job. I think this gets a little bit of sun exposure. It'll lay down a little bit, but if the thing gets tore up in a year from a few rock chips or something, I'm not crying about it. I'm just grabbing that roll of tape and I'm doing it again. So the next video we're going to try to do, these headlights are showing, this is the car model that has the headlights on. It was a mid-2000s GM model that had the headlights on and the daytime running lights on 24/7. When the car's on, they're on. It builds up a lot of heat on the headlight, and the headlight's starting to get a little bit cloudy. They're not bad, but that's going to be my next video. I'm going to try to do a how-to, so to speak. I've done these before. There are some new products out. McGuire has a new spray-on product, and I'm going to do a little research and do something on that. But stay tuned for my how-to videos to easily and cheaply and inexpensively, I don't like the word cheap, dress up your vehicle.